In this video, I'm going to review the C2 massage gun from Bob and Brad. I'm really excited to give you my honest review of this awesome piece of equipment. Let's get into it. Hi, my name is Rad Burmeister from Unity Gym with tips and tools on how to do more of what you love pain-free. And today I'm here reviewing the C2 Bob and Brad massage gun, or probably more correctly, the Bob and Brad C2 massage gun. Look, I'm gonna tell you straight away, I think this is a really, really impressive massage gun. This is the third or fourth gun that I've used. I've got a Theragun Pro, which is much bigger, of course, weighs a lot more. And I've used a much cheaper massage gun. I can't even remember the name or the brand of it. So this is obviously a really compact massage gun. You can see it's very, very small. And I did not think that it was going to be as good as it is. I honestly mean that. I thought a massage gun this small, I was just questioning how good it would be. The first thing that I noticed from my unboxing video was the weight. It feels heavy, it feels robust, it doesn't feel cheap at all. I remember this other massage gun that I used, I can't remember the brand. It felt tacky right from the start, you know, when you pulled it out of the box. This doesn't. This feels really robust and it's got a really nice build to it. It looks really nice. It's a great gun. So it's really simple. You've got a power button here, and when you hold it down for a few seconds, it turns on, and then you've got 5 power levels. I'm not sure if you can hear that. I'll put it near my mic. So that's power level 1. This is the second thing that I noticed about this thing. I'll put it right up to number 5. That's right up to my mic. If I hold it over here, it's not loud at all. Like, compared to other massage guns that I've used, they are loud. This thing's like, it's quite silent, and it is really good. Like, I'm not sure if you can see this here or not, but if you can get in on my bicep there, I remember on the other video I did, you could really see my muscles and everything moving around. But it's really good. It's got some power, and if I push into my muscle, it can really get in there. Oh, I don't know if you've ever used a massage gun or not, but they're awesome. I'll talk to you at the end of this video about the benefits of massage guns and why you'd use them. It comes in this really neat little box. So this is really small. Like, this would really easily fit in carry-on luggage on a plane or something on a flight. So this is what you transport it in. It keeps it safe. You know, it's all packed up nicely. And there's several attachments. It's got a couple of different attachments here. It's got a really hard, firm, flat attachment, which is really cool. It's got, this is like for getting right in there into those, you know, trigger points that you want to hit. And then it's got a larger flat tool as well. So these ones here, this is much more intense because of how hard it is and how firm it is. And this is less intense because the pressure's going to a wider surface, and it's also got a bit of give there, which is really cool because you've got all these different options. And then you've also got this nasty little one here. And of course, I'm making a joke when I say nasty. It's very cool because it allows you to be really targeted. Like, when you use these ones, you can really get into specific spots, you know, and you can hit hard. It's really cool, actually. Ooh. Overall, I'm really impressed with it. I'm impressed with how robust the build is. It's a very, very strong build, and I'm impressed with the power of it. And I'm also impressed with the silence of it. So my review, especially considering the price, it's really reasonably priced. And if you're interested in getting one, just click the link in the description of this video. Of course, we get a small commission, which helps us, but it's no extra cost to you guys. So if you like this, just click the link, go and grab it. And if you like this content, of course, please click the like button if you're getting value out of this, and subscribe to the channel. And now let me talk about why would you use a massage gun? If you've never had one before, if you're just, you know, considering or looking at this and thinking, well, why would I get one of these things? The first thing I'm going to say is that I've heard reviews or research that is for massage guns that talk about the benefits of them. And then I've heard research that is saying that they really don't do anything. So I'm going to leave the research out of it, okay? Because where I get my information from, I've got friends that are sports physiotherapists. I've been in the industry for a really long time. I've been a coach since 1998, so I'm fortunate enough to know some really good physios, some sports physios. And when I talk through, you know, putting the research aside, what's really going on here? What happens when you use a massage gun? Because I can tell you subjectively, for me, they're incredible. Like if I've got pains in my arm or wherever it is, if I use a massage gun on it, I feel great afterwards. And I do a lot of training. I do calisthenics, I do a lot of flexibility work, I lift heavy weights, I work on building muscle and getting stronger, and my body gets beat up from it. And I go through periods or, regularly where I mean, in all honesty, like self-massage and trigger point release and things like that is a daily part of my routine. And then I use these massage guns like periodically. It's like when things get so painful that like just a massage ball or my daily foam rolling just isn't enough, I get the massage gun out and get in there, and they're really, really good. So that's my subjective opinion. What goes on to cause that is really, there's a couple of things when you're doing something like this. It's number one is that it increases blood flow to the area. So you increase blood flow. But what you also do is you change the brain's conformation of pain. So, when we have muscles that are knotted, I don't actually use that term anymore. I used to always call knotted muscles, and my physio friends just laughed at me and they just said muscles don't get knotted. That's a sort of a layman terminology. But when we have these, when our muscles feel really tight and locked up, it's because the nervous system is locking us up. The nervous system is creating tension to protect itself from, maybe there's a muscle strain or from a perceived threat, a perceived injury. And so what happens when you use something like a massage gun like this is that it changes the brain's conformation of what's going on. And the brain kind of goes, oh, that's okay, I can relax this a little bit now. And so those two things, the increased blood flow and the brain's changing of the conformation of the pain, is what really gives you that relief. At least that's my understanding of it, okay? I do these kinds of things daily. If you want to have a look at what I use in all my recovery, because I use more than just a massage gun, click or tap the screens and you can check that video out where I'll take you through my exact daily warm-up that I do, where I do my trigger point release all in real time, and the tools that I use. So click that video, I'll see you there.